Yo, it's your boy Hovis back again. It's been a while, but I've been busy over the holidays. So yeah, we've got a different bit of content for you today. No reactions. I've been 3D printing, so I want to go through some time lapses of what I've been printing, maybe talk about the temperatures and the settings that I've used, which they're not anything special, I promise you. Yeah, and just make a different kind of content. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to be trying to make different types of content going on through this new year. Hope everyone had a good New Year's. Without further ado, let's get into it.
You know who made it.
Yeah, so these are the hammerheads. These are off the printer. There's some minor like issues with them, nothing too major. We can clean up anyway later on. Yeah, it's printed with PLA plus. The settings the temperatures that I've used on it is 210 on the nozzle and 60 on the bed. Yeah, they've turned out pretty well. I think it's this one. There is, I don't know if the camera will focus, some gapping. Might be the other one that's really bad. On one of these edges, there you go. Really bad gapping. I don't know if that's to do with under extrusion or leveling or what. I will be looking into it. Some of these decals have got some bumps and some stringing, but again, it's really nothing major in this. Whoa, the focus is completely gone. This is nothing major really. It's fixable, definitely. Got some other bits. These are really rough. I need to sand them. I've got some glue on because I used it as an adhesive on the bed. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up and fill it with sand. That's the overhang. It's not very clean at all, and that's both that it's like that. So the issues are consistent. Yeah, and there's a little bit of rough patch in the circling, which obviously we're not worried about. All of this is really minor to me, at least. I don't know, it might not be minor to someone else, but really easy to fix, really. I wouldn't be complaining about it, and I'm not, so just thought I'd point it out. But other than that, they look pretty clean. They look even better once they're put together. But yeah, that's the hammerheads. We'll move on to the handles next. So I don't know if anyone noticed, but I did say handles going onto the handles because there was 3 of them. It will be a single item, but there is 3 of them at this present time. So again, on these they've got a little bit of, I think people call it ghosting, where you get all this stuff, stringy stuff on it. Yeah, little bits, little nicks and that on the bottoms. I'm not really focusing very well. Again, the tops are rough because of the adhesive I use, and it's literally just PVA. I bought it because my prints weren't sticking after 5 or 6 prints, and it worked out pretty well. But we've obviously got quite bad lining on the handles. Again, these were printed at the same temperatures. And as for like how I slice them and things, I slice them on Cura. I haven't really fiddled with the settings that much, I'll be honest. Off the top of my head, I don't even think I fiddled with any of the settings in Cura for this. So the settings aren't terrible from the get-go. But yeah, so that's the handles. I have one more part of the hammer to show you. Yeah, so this is the last part of the hammer that I wanted to show you. I printed these little blocks. Yeah, I printed them very quickly just because I didn't really care how they looked. They go inside the hammer just to help hold it together, give it a bit of stability. Some for the handle, tiny little bits. But yeah, they didn't need to be printed with precision or anything like that, so I sped it up quite a bit. I think it was 150% speed, so I don't know if that's... Well, so at the moment I use a Ender 3 V2, I went a bit mind blank then. Yeah, I don't know if I've already said it in the video, but it's set up with a sonic pad. The sonic pad is not fully set up yet, it's more of just a display at the moment. I still need to calibrate the axes for it so I can actually print it at a higher speed, and obviously the printer itself is pretty stock, so I do want to get a better extruder to be able to keep up with the faster print speeds. But overall, very happy with the print. So I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Obviously I still need to put the hammer together, wood fill it, sand it, primer it, paint it, all of the good stuff to make it look good, which I think will be a part 2, depending on how long it is, how long it takes me. It may even be a part 3. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to try and bring out a video like this hopefully once a week, and I am going to be getting back onto the reactions. It's just, again, I said over the holidays had a lot going on, been fiddling with the printer, got a bit zoned in with it, but there'll definitely be more reactions coming, maybe one of them a week as well. So the upload schedule will be like 2 videos a week, so subscribe, hit the bell, and don't miss them. Peace out.